Welcome back to your daily market snapshot. Moderna is having a moment, surging over 10%. It seems a new strategy and a key FDA win are giving the stock a major shot in the arm, with some even whispering short squeeze. Here's the latest from StockTwits. Amid a market seeing constructive setups and strong demand, stocks like Moderna surged to 52-week highs, with improved retail sentiment noted on platforms like StockTwits. And in today's Make It Make Sense segment, we have SL Science Holding. The stock is up a whopping 34%, yet the only news we have lists it as a top midday decliner. A typo or the biggest comeback ever? Here's the report from Mount Newswires. The article lists the company among the day's top decliners, creating a stark contradiction with its significant positive price change. Robinhood is looking to steal from the rich. Trading hours. The stock is climbing after announcing global expansion, AI trading agents, and a push for 24/7 markets. They really don't want you to sleep. Here's Yahoo Finance with more. Robinhood's stock jumped after the company announced several new initiatives at its UK event, including perpetual futures, AI-powered trading features, and 24/7 tradable stock tokens, signaling ambitious expansion. Ouch! AEHR Test Systems took a 17% haircut today. It seems getting removed from a broad range of Russell indices is the stock market equivalent of being uninvited to the cool kids party. Here's simply Wall Street on the fallout. AEHR Test Systems was removed from multiple Russell indices, which is significant because it reduces the stock's exposure to index-tracking funds and can negatively affect liquidity and investor interest. UltraClean has been on a legendary 525% run this year, but it seems some investors are finally cashing in their chips. The stock is down nearly 18% today in a classic case of profit-taking. Here's bar chart on the rally that preceded today's drop. Despite the day's drop, UltraClean Holdings has seen a massive 525% surge over the past year, hitting an all-time high and highlighting its powerful role in the semiconductor rally. Is Wall Street too optimistic? Meta is sliding today amid broader market concerns. With a record number of buy ratings from analysts on S&P 500 stocks, some worry the market is being set up for a summer slump. Here's the take from Yahoo Finance. Wall Street analysts are exceptionally bullish, with a record 60% of S&P 500 stocks rated buy. This peak optimism is raising concerns about a potential market downturn if earnings don't meet high expectations. Rivian is hitting the accelerator, jumping over 8%. The EV maker crushed its second quarter delivery estimates and just raised its full-year forecast. Looks like more electric trucks are hitting the road than expected. Here's the breakdown from Guru Focus. Rivian stock surged after reporting Q2 deliveries of 194 vehicles, surpassing its guidance. This strong performance led the company to raise its full-year delivery forecast, signaling increased production and demand. Tesla's in a strange spot. Quarterly deliveries jumped 25%, but the stock sank over 7%. This appears to be a classic case of good isn't good enough for Wall Street, dragging the Nasdaq down with it. Here's the latest from Yahoo Finance. The market showed divergence as the Dow hit a record high, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq fell, weighed down by a sell-off in the chip sector and a notable drop in Tesla stock. Taking a step back, let's look at the broader leaderboard for today. Uber is hailing a robo-taxi future. The stock is up today as the market digests its strategy to tackle the autonomous vehicle space through smart partnerships, aiming to sidestep massive R&D costs. Let's get the details from Zacks. Uber is strategically positioning itself in the multi-trillion-dollar autonomous vehicle market by partnering with AV tech developers, allowing it to integrate self-driving features without the immense cost of in-house R&D. Before we wrap up, let's take a look at the momentum matrices showing the most overbought names and the strongest liquidity spikes.